sa inyo ng latest tech news and reviews sa ating YouTube channel na Alfred Tech. At samahan nyo ako ngayon guys dahil pag-usapan natin ngayon kung ano nga ba yung magandang gaming phone for this year 2023. At kung budget friendly ba siya or mahal ba. Bale, wag na natin patagalin to guys, kaya let's go! At yung phone na yon guys ay ang Tecno Pova 5. Bale, ang Tecno Pova 5 is a budget gaming phone that offers a lot of value for its price. Kasi yung price niya guys is below 10k lang siya. So, yung laki ng Tecno Pova 5 is 6.78 inches. At mayroon siyang 120 refresh rate. Kaya kapag naglalaro kayo guys or nag-scroll kayo sa inyong mga phone is hindi siya naglalag or smooth siya kapag nag-scroll kayo sa inyong mga phone guys. At yung isa pang maganda dito sa phone guys ay mayroon siyang battery na 6,000 mAh. Kaya kapag naglalaro kayo ng mga online games or nanonood kayo ng mga videos is matagal siyang malubat. At kapag nalubat naman guys is mayroon din siyang 45 watts fast charging. Kaya madali lang din siyang mag-charge. At isa pang maganda dito sa Tecno Pova 5 guys is mayroon siyang processor na MediaTek G99. Yun yung processor niya na maganda for gaming kasi MediaTek G99. Kapag maliit yung MediaTek niya guys is hindi niya kaya yung mga game or mayroong mga lags or hindi maganda yung process ng game. Pero dahil MediaTek G99 na siya guys, yung processor niya is maganda siya for gaming. At yung Tecno Pova 5 talaga guys is designed siya for gaming. At yung internal storage niya or RAM muna tayo guys, yung RAM niya is mayroong 8GB of RAM at mayroon ding ROM niya or yung internal storage niya or yung masabi nating memory ng phone niya is 256. Kaya for gaming na mabibigat or malalaki yung internal storage is maganda talaga siyang gamitin. So Tecno Pova 5 naman guys, yung camera niya is not the strongest point. But you can take pictures and mas maganda yung camera niya guys kapag mayroong maganda ding light. Kapag hindi gaano maganda yung lighting nyo guys or yung ilaw nyo is hindi din gaanong kalinaw yung camera. Is mayroon siyang 6.78 inches at mayroong refresh rate na 120. Ibig sabihin smooth yung malaki yung cellphone or yung phone at saka maganda din kapag nag-scroll kayo sa inyong phone. At yung processor niya is MediaTek Helio G99 at mayroon siyang RAM na 8GB at mayroong internal storage or yung ROM niya na 256. Kaya maganda siya sa mabibigat na gaming or sa malalaki storage or kailangan yung ng malaking storage kasi mabigat yung gaming nyo kagaya ng Mobile Legends, Genshin Impact or Call of Duty. Pwede siya gamitin guys for gaming talaga. At saka yung design niya is for gaming talaga. Bale, yung battery niya guys is 6,000 mAh battery. Ibig sabihin matagal siyang malubat. Kaya goods for gaming talaga siya. Okay siya for gaming. At kapag nalubat naman guys is mayroon siyang 45 fast charging. Ibig sabihin, kapag nalubat yung phone nyo is madali lang din siyang mag-charge kasi mayroon siyang charger na okay for gaming. Bali guys, yun lang muna yung may share ko about doon sa phone. At saka, kung gusto nyong bumili guys ng Tecno Pova 5, ilalagay ko yung link sa baba ng description at sa comment section kung saan nyo siya pwedeng mabili. At thank you sa panonood guys. Sana may natutunan kayo kung paano pumili ng gaming phone or paano pumili ng phone for gaming. At once again guys, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech reviews, tutorials, and tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any future content. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to continue sharing my knowledge and insights with you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.